So a few days ago, I went to visit my family there in South Carolina, and we decided to put a fish tank right there in that section where you see us working. That wasn't our original intent. Our original intent was just to remove that light that you see on the stool and put it on the beam on the side of the living room, because before it was on the side of the dining room side, and we already had plenty of light there. So we decided to try to switch it to the other side, to the living room side, but that would have caused us to move the cable that came with it, and it would have had to cross through the shelves that are about to come up in a few minutes, or in a minute or so. And so what we decided to do was to knock that wall down, and when we knocked that wall down, we left the shelves there, and our end result ended up being a fish tank there. So as we were doing all this cutting, we later realized that we were making a big mess, and we probably should have removed the tree. We didn't do it. We were being a little reckless about it. We were just trying to get the work done. Actually, more so me than my brothers. I was the one who was rushing things a little more, just because I wanted to get things done before I had to leave. And so we did get the area there a little dirty. It would have been nice to have removed the tree, or at least moved it out of the way, but we didn't, and that's fine. I mean, either way, nothing was really damaged. We didn't step on any gifts. We ended up removing the shelves. We are going to put them back on, but we just have to paint them. We're also going to paint the area around where the shelves are going to go and where the fish tank is going to go. And that's what we'll be doing in the next video.